Hello everyone, welcome to channel Nitrix. Today we will review the MARK1 Handheld Android device, which was manufactured by a high-end smartphone that comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor with Adreno 730 GPU support, which enables excellent gaming performance with advanced graphics with a 4.8-inch screen with a resolution of 1080 by 1440 pixels at a frequency of 60 frames per second. Screen type AMOLED with wonderful colors with an aluminum metal cover to ensure durability, and the device weighs 320 grams with a supercooling system that allows heavy multitasking easily without excessive heat, and cooling has been well managed inside the device. Technically, the device is very suitable for those who prefer small devices that can be easily put in the pocket, because this size takes us back to the first smart devices that were very portable and easy to use with one hand while also supporting communication functions. Support for the 5th generation network makes the device ideal for fast communication. Wi-Fi 6 support ensures the best performance for stable and fast wireless communication with support for charging and operation at the same time, and an OTG port with a TF card slot to increase the internal space of the device. As for the release of the device in global markets, there is no confirmed information yet. The device comes in limited editions, and the method of sale and distribution is through the dedicated group designed on the Chinese QQ application in partnership with Sugar Cubes Company.